Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Friday, August 30th, 2024. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning with us for your TF headlines as we head into the Labor Day weekend. A lot of headlines to get to as maybe you are already off or you're heading off for the day. We're just glad you're here with us. We'll start that we are closed on Labor Day. The City of Fitchburg, City Hall, Library, Recreation, and Senior Center will all be closed. We'll open up back to normal hours on September 3rd, so don't worry. Just closed on Monday for Labor Day. That's Monday, September 2nd for the Labor Day observance. Refuse and recycling delay due to the Labor Day holiday. To remind you of an observance of Labor Day, there will be no refuse or recycling pickup on Monday, September 2nd. Residents will be serviced on one day later than their normal service day during the week of September 2nd. Residents normally served on Friday will be serviced on Saturday, September 7th. Collection routes may be serviced differently, and your pickup time may be altered. Nevertheless, one day delay for pickup because of the Labor Day weekend. The splash pad will also be closing up on September 2nd, so it's open through Labor Day weekend for you to enjoy. But it will enjoy its final day, the last day, on Monday, September 2nd. Thank you for another great season if you got to get out there and enjoy it. Turning our attention to health news as you head into the weekend, a few reminders. First, COVID cases are up across Wisconsin and in the U.S., but coming soon, there'll be more free COVID tests. Starting in late September, U.S. households will be able to order 4 free COVID tests by mail. The Public Health of Madison and Dane County, Wisconsin Department of Health will remind you of this. To learn more about what is going to be coming here for those tests, free testing, you can go to covidtests.gov, covidtests.gov. Have you heard about that specific mosquito disease that's being, it's not just West Nile anymore, the Eastern equine. This is has been in the talk. We've seen somebody who passed away with it on the East Coast. Nevertheless, they say here with Public Health of Wisconsin, it's saying thankfully that is rare to see in Wisconsin. Wisconsin commonly sees mosquito spread diseases like the West Nile disease that can make you sick. To learn more about preventing these diseases, you can go to Public Health of Madison and Dane County / environmental. They'll hook you up with some great information. As far as preventing bites and diseases for mosquitoes, make sure you wear long sleeve shirts and long pants from dusk through dawn. That's when the mosquitoes are most active. Install or fix screen windows and doors to keep mosquitoes out. Use EPA registered insect repellent and follow the instructions carefully, and apply bug repellent to your clothing, and make sure you get rid of anywhere where there's water or standing water, because that can allow for those mosquitoes to develop and lay their eggs, and then you get more mosquitoes, like flower pots, gutters, buckets, pool covers, pet water dishes, bird baths, rain barrels, and trash cans. Make sure you remove the water off of there. We just got rain the last or within the evening here, or earlier this morning, so you can definitely want to remove that if you can. Finally, if you are heading out, Wisconsin Department of Transportation wants to remind you of a few things. First off, about construction delays, but also being safe as you head out. Don't fall into bad driving habits. Buckle up, be patient, and put your phone down. To help travelers reach their destination over the Labor Day weekend, Wisconsin Department of Transportation will temporarily be pausing work on most highway construction projects in the state. Still, drivers are asked to pay attention and expect slower traffic in work zones along major travel corridors. According to AAA, peak time travel happened today, Thursday happened from 1 to 7:30 p.m. And 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. on Friday. 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. is expected on Monday, September 2nd. And the list of construction projects are available on DOT's website, pending where you're traveling across the state. As you do head out, remember you can find real-time traffic information by downloading the free 511 app, or visit 511.wi.gov to follow that information, or dial 511. Have a safe and fun weekend, everybody. We'll see you back here on Tuesday.